Let me see that thing. Let me see the tea. Put. Can put the tea now? Na only one them one. Cool.
What is that?
Can you do that?
Oh, mosquito.
Kiboye.
Mosquito medicine. Now you put for my food. Make I eat. Make I eat die.
Oh, won't give one. They were put in 5 months last week again. No problem. No problem.
Chidema, it's not, you know, you can't eat Naka. Ogo, Tosa. Can you eat Jim? Who will you tell them? Can you get him measure? Will you get Cabalom? Can you be selling most of Alamo? Can I get you much better, I don't care. Can get you work, man? Can you go to work there? Chief to 10. Can you get you work, man? Couple present here, tell your auntie. Couple present here, tell them, match better balagi. They sure? I'm sure. No, much better as I can get them poison. You wait here. You wait here, so quick. Whatever John Melody. And I'm working the bamboo. I dem treat you. Can you just try to get some personally? Can you? Oh, well, no, just try to tell you. He has a room. Welcome.
The Bible no go near have one high na gate them. I need to be mindful of your activities outside. Be mindful of Omas in us again. Because if the enemy decided to imagi hold you akwande no ka use now then ka she run down ndo bele nwa no akita no again useless. This little girl kita adugo very very useless. Opolo maka gene ihe agbatobi mela agbatobi. Now my live video you see that Simone Sina, a 16 years old boy kidnapped along 4 years. Didn't 4 years at Bele Organia 50,000. Or Heboli High Ayana was society kita umwazi ni it is ndo tosanan. Where did we feel it as parents in this our society? Kebia nowhere that our society has corrupt children. Konazuta hazuta kondine nitanya netere anya because na amamumbai neto intase na nwa bo nwa ha. We know very well na nwa bo nwa mana kita nwa bozo nwa ha. Nwa bozo nwa ondo ha ji akpamkpamkpa. Because it's very hard na kina afford nwatakịrị na-eme ihe na isi nna asụ nwa ha ka ịdụa ya ọdụ ọ ka eje gwusi m ije gwa m asị na ihe nwatakịrị a na-eme ilu edi asị gị hapụ nwa m aka, don't beat my child, don't touch my child. Just a na-eme ihe ga and this is how it has slowly crept in into the life of the children. I told the people that devil, this many of you may not believe in, man. These things, these forces of darkness has left the fathers. It has left the fathers and have successfully crept itself in the life of children. On the other hand, there is a father who doesn't know what he's doing. And in the other hand, there is a generation growing up that doesn't want to be told that this is how these things works. So in the other hand, you find a father, a family, a grown-up adult who doesn't know what he's doing. He doesn't even know what he's doing. Let me just have money. And we go insult to be just make money. Wanaga, as they say, and in the other hand, is a generation growing up with this mindset of nobody could tell me what I could do, and they don't even know what they will do. So anything works for them. Anything works for them. So they can literally do anything. So imagine a generation growing up and the ones being in the middle are fighting a war of correcting the error of the past and setting a new pace for the coming generation. This is a battle, a very big battle. But people are not seeing this for these things. People are not seeing these things. As I can with the video because now a lot is happening. Because ihe a continue na-emebi. Mana regardless of the fact, we are here to sanitize, not to destroy. Ka ọ dị na mgbe ọzọ, ndị be anyị.